Hello! Today we'll be learning Go. Now I've never actually written any Go before, and my computer I think is now set up with Go. I have run this terminal command Go that gives me a bunch of things, but I actually don't know how to write Go, so this is going to be a tutorial for myself. And I've just gone to the official Golang page, and they have a really nice page that has a way to install it, a tour of Go, how to write Go code. And I think that's where we're going to start. So Go has packages. Go has packages, and inside a package is a module. A package is a collection of source files that are compiled together, and a module is a collection of related Go packages that are released together. So it looks like module is more higher level than package. At the root is a file named go.mod, which declares the module path. Okay, module path. And this is the import path prefix for all packages within the module. So I assume that's like Java, where they import it from a specific namespace that you declare, like with a URI. The module contains packages in the directory containing its go.mod file, as well as subdirectories of that directory. Okay, that's incredibly complicated. Let's just maybe go to the next part. So to compile and run a simple program, first choose a module path, and in this case they're using this, and create a go.mod file that declares it. Okay. So I have created a playground directory. Let's go mod init playground noob hello. Now what did we get? We got a go.mod file. If we look at this go.mod file, we see that declares module and that namespace. Great. Go mod init. Okay. So the next thing is so the first statement in a Go source file must have package name. Executable commands must always use package main. Alright, so let's create a file called hello.go. And let's move from let's minimize this so that I can get Sublime Text up. And let's move this up so I can do it in Sublime Text. I can do that. Okay, cool. My computer is incredibly slow. Package main. So func seems to be the keyword for function. And they import fmt. Okay. fmt.print. Oh, I don't get code completion. And it is so slow. Don't upgrade to Catalina, everybody. Do not do that. Okay, so we can now build it with this namespace. Go install. Why can't I just give it the go.mod file? So I actually have to do this. Playground Noob hello. Okay. This command builds a hello command, producing an executable binary that installs it under go bin hello. Why do I want it there though? Is that? Huh. So if we look in that path, there is a go directory. And there is a bin directory. And there we go. Hello world. Ah, I see. Okay. What if you don't want it to go there? So it's controlled by the go path and go bin environment variables. If go bin is set, binaries are installed into that directory. If go path is set, binaries are installed to the bin subdirectory of the first directory in the go path list. Fair enough. Otherwise, binaries are installed in the bin subdirectory of the default go path. You can use the goenv command to properly set the default value for an environment variable for future go commands. Okay. To unset a previous, so use W to change it. To unset, use -U. Commands like go install imply within the context of the module containing the current working directory. If the working directory is not within the example.com user hello module, go install may fail. And we can try that. We go back here and then do go install. Yeah, so it tries to find that go.mod file. Oh, that is good. Go install dot. That is probably better. Go install dot. Or go install. So was there a clean? Go clean, yes. And go run. What if I go run, go files listed? Okay. If using source control system, now would be the time to initialize it. Importing packages from the module. Let's write more strings package and use it in the hello program. First create a directory for the package named that, and then a file named reverse.go in the directory with the following content. I'm going to just do anything here. Reverse.go. So the name is different because the package is called more strings and the file containing more strings is named reverse.go. Sure. So syntax here, variable name, similar to Rust but without the colon and the arrow, and func instead of fn. And it's got a name. Declaring variables with this colon equals. I assume that's like an array of rune. What's rune? Because our reverse rune functions begin with an uppercase letter, it can be exported. Okay. And can be used in other packages that import our more string package. Okay. So if we build this, not load package. Okay. Let's put this thing in here then. Go build. I wonder what happens if we didn't name it the same. Yeah, it still works. Interesting. It just has to be in a separate thing. Because if I did go build in this upper level, it's looking for this namespace go.mod. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so I've built that. Now what? This won't produce an output file. Instead, it saves the compiled package in the local build cache. Where's the local build cache? There we go. That's a weird place to put it. But sure. Huh. Okay. After confirming that the more strings package builds, let's use it from our log program. To do so, modify this to use the namespace. Huh. Okay. And they import stuff just like Python, without the comma. Sure. So we wanted hello playground noob hello more strings. Let's just see if this compiles. Imported and not used. Nice. Okay. And then they use the last thing as the namespace. So if I wanted to maybe put this in another variable and reverse it and then put it in as a... So let's go s equals hello world. And let's put s in here. Does this work? Go install. Let's just remove this first. And if I guess if I run it, it would be like this, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's put it back in. And then let's go reverse s is equal to more strings dot reverse runes s. Holy crap, my computer's so slow. Oh, not cargo, go install. Go run. Nice! So we can import it from remote module. How does it know which websites are compatible though? Well, GitHub has like code. And record its version in your go.mod file. If I add this should record it in my go.mod file. What's this go CMP? Let's have a look. How do I use it? Func diff equal. So if I did format print line cmp dot equal 1 and 1, go install. Hello. Go run. And if we look at this go mod require, cool. It's pretty intuitive, I guess. Module dependencies are automatically downloaded to the package mod subdirectory or directory. Indicated by the go path environment. The downloaded contents for a given version of a module is shared among other modules. So this is how they do their, similar to Node module management. It's shared as opposed to, I think Cargo does the same. Yeah. Okay, so testing. Go test. What happens if I just run go test? Go test. No test files, that's correct. Okay, so write a test by creating a file with the name _test.go. Okay, ending with that. Test equals x with function signature t star testing.t. Oh, what does that mean? The test framework runs each such function. If the function calls a failure function such as t.error or t.fail, the test is considered to have failed. I wonder if Go has like, well, I want to see debugging. Is there Go debug? Debug? What? With GDB. Delve is a better alternative. It understands the Go runtime. Go away. Go get. Go get. You must execute this command outside the module directory or Delve will be added to your project as a dependency. Oops. What's this go.sum? Let's do like this. Oh. Oh man, fish is slow. You know. Oh, well, if you didn't develop to enable no. Okay, so testing. So I create a reverse test.go and let's just do that. Sure. Reverse test.go. And go test. Oops. Where did it say to run it? Oh. Save it. It's like doesn't detect the tests unless you go into it. That sucks. Okay. I guess for the last thing, let's just see how we can do some debugging. So that's installation. What about how to actually run it? Getting started. Delve aims to be a very simple, powerful tool. Debug. This subcommand can be run without arguments. If you're in the same directory as your package, I am. DLV debug from the command line. I'd have to do it in another session. That was a good intro. See ya.